My name is Ihoma Ephraim. I'm from Abia State, Ikwana local government area precisely. While I was growing up as a child, nothing about the Igbo pricks me. Anything about Igbo language, my parents would be speaking in Igbo language to me, I'll be responding in English. Nothing about that was, motivating me or being passionate about or being curious about anything about the Igbo language. I was like, maybe I'm not going to get married to an Igbo man, or maybe I'm going to get married to a white man, things like that. I encourage you parents to start with Igbo lessons. You can start with Igbo, basic Igbo lessons, lesson 1 that teaches greetings and introduction, very important. So the first one is greetings, Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma means good morning. Most eastern areas or eastern states greet Ndewo. Like I myself um I'm from Abia State, we were taught how to greet Ndewo. And those days in school, children were also taught how to sing the song, Ndewo ma, Ndewo sa, the Igbo I speak, the Igbo I speak. Ndewo ma and Ndewo sa, the Igbo I speak. The general basic language, people say it's Ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma, it's good afternoon. You can repeat after me. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma, good afternoon. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma means good evening. Mgbede ọma, you can repeat after me. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma, good evening. And kachifo. Kachifo is good night. Kachifo, repeat after me. Kachifo, kachifo is good night. And the next one is how are you in Igbo and response. So kedu ka imeri, kedu ka imeri. You can make it faster. Kedu ka imeri, kedu ka imeri. Kedu ka imeri. You can repeat after me. Kedu ka imeri. Adimma. Most people say adimumma. Most people say odimma. You understand? And so, kedu ka imere adimma. Okay? So, kedu aha gi? Kedu aha gi means what is your name? Aha m bụ Ihuoma. My name is Ihuoma. Kedu aha gi? Aha m bụ Ihuoma. Okay? So, and the next one is Onye ebe ka ibu? Onye ebe ka ibu? Where are you from? You now respond, Abum onye Abia State. I come from Abia State. Abum onye Abia State. I come from Abia State. So let's run it through. Ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. Ehihie ọma, good afternoon. Mgbede ọma, good evening. Kachifo, good night. How are you? And respond, say, Kedu ka ị mere? Adị mma. Adị m mma. Ọ dị mma. Okay, so kedu aha gị? Aha m bụ Ihuoma. Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Or you say onye ebe ka ị bụ? You want to make it faster. Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Where are you from? I'm from Abia State. So these are basic, languages you can teach your children. Basic language, Igbo language you can teach your children. To start as some parents pay huge amounts of money to help their children learn Igbo language because they know how important it is. So I encourage you today to start teaching your children Igbo language. You can enroll a course on it. We have courses on that. You engage your children, you get coach for them to teach them. It's very, very important. Thank you so much for joining me today. Do have a wonderful time. Bye.